Hi everyone. Today we're making fried spring rolls, a dish that's deeply rooted in Vietnamese cuisine. These rolls are made with a mixture of ground pork, shrimp, and crab, combined with finely chopped vegetables, all wrapped in a thin rice paper wrapper, then fried to golden perfection. The result? Crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. A true crowd pleaser. Fried spring rolls are a favorite at family gatherings, festivals, and especially during the Lunar New Year celebrations. Let's start with the filling. Add the ground pork to a large bowl. Then, mix in the minced shrimp and all the finely chopped vegetables. These include shredded taro, carrot, jicama, rehydrated and chopped wood ear mushrooms, and shiitake mushrooms. Don't forget the herbs and softened glass noodles, cut into small pieces. For the eggs, separate the yolks and whites into 2 bowls. Whisk the yolks until smooth. This will act as a glue to seal the rolls later. Now, whip the egg whites until they're fluffy and slightly thickened. Then fold them into the filling to make it moist and airy. Season with 2/3 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of MSG, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Next, crumble a small amount of net spring roll wrappers into the mix to add extra crunch to the filling. Mix everything well and let it sit for a bit to absorb the flavors. Now for the fun part, rolling. We'll be using rice paper wrappers, which are pliable and fry up beautifully crispy. Place a small amount of filling onto the wrapper, roll it up tightly, and seal the edge with the whisked egg yolk to keep it secure while frying. If you want an extra crispy texture, you can wrap each roll again in a second layer of rice paper. With this recipe, you should be able to make about 45 to 50 small spring rolls. Heat up a generous amount of oil in a pan, enough to fully submerge the rolls. This ensures they fry evenly and stay crispy without absorbing too much oil. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop in the spring rolls. Fry them over medium heat so the filling cooks through while the wrappers turn golden and crispy. When the rolls start floating to the surface, gently flip them to ensure even browning on all sides. For maximum crispiness, you can fry them twice. First, lightly fry the rolls and set them aside. Then, fry them again right before serving. Or, you can fry them once until they're golden, firm, and the bubbling around the rolls slows down. Serve the fried spring rolls hot. They're best when crispy and fresh. Pair them with sweet and tangy chili garlic fish sauce, fresh vermicelli, and a variety of leafy greens for an unforgettable meal. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious Vietnamese dishes. Hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you next time.